There we go, boys. This better be the finale, because my shoulders are going to snap clean off. I'm good for now. I swear this is the only good reason why it's good to live this close to Warrensville Heights.